Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about some general information regarding the OET or the Occupational English Test. Now, as all of us know, OET stands for Occupational English Test and is a test which is conducted for the medical professionals and the nurses in order to judge their proficiency in the English language. Now, talking about the history of OET or the Occupational English Test, it was designed in the late 1980s by Professor McNamara under the guidance of Australian National Office of Overseas Skills Regulation, which used to administer the test during that time. Now, talking about the format of this particular test. This test, or under this test, the person who is appearing for the test is judged on the basis of two main criterions. First one is the language skills. You are judged on your language skills on the basis of four main criterions or four main subtests, that is listening, reading, writing and speaking. Second criterion is the clinical communication skills, in which you are judged how efficiently are you able to communicate in your professional scenario. Now, what about the scoring system or how you are graded according to your performance? You are graded on the basis of a grading scale ranging from A to E. A is considered to be the highest grade and E is considered to be the lowest grade. Now, what about the frequency in which the OET is conducted? It takes place 12 times a year and you can appear for the test from anywhere around the world. Now, finally, what about the results of OET, or when will your result get published? Usually the results of OET is published online and it gets published approximately 16 business days after the exam is conducted. And the students will not receive an overall grade. Instead, they will receive individual grades based upon each subtest which is conducted, like the listening, reading, writing and speaking. So these are some general information regarding the Occupational English Test which you need to know before you start your preparation for the exam, and I hope it was useful. Thank you.